Today I'll be showing you a very easy option strategy that you can set up when the market is very volatile or a certain stock is very volatile and moving a lot. So for this example, I'll be showing you on Skills. Skills actually is a very volatile stock. If you watch right here, you'll see its movement. It moves, that's down about 8% right there. Then it rises up very quickly, then it falls very quickly, then it rises back up. That's just the past week. We'll go to the past month. As you can see, it just moves a decent amount. It is on a constant decline though, so if you hear some news, let's say that you hear some good news about Skills and you think it'll be moving up, then you might want to put this option into place. Or if you think that Skills will continue to go down, then you'll put this option into place. But the one thing you want to not happen is for Skills to trade flat. You don't want to do this on a sideways moving stock, and Skills is a very volatile stock, so that's why I'll show you it for this example. So we'll come over here for trade Skills options. So what you're going to do is you're going to buy a put. For this example, I'll just do this right around the share price because I want Skills to move away from the share price. So I'll show you, I'm going to buy a put for this example right below the share price, right there. And then we're going to, you'll see this right here. Then we're going to buy a call right above the share price. We'll buy it right there. So this is called a strangle. So as you can see, Skills is sitting right about in the middle of this strangle, and all that we need to happen is for Skills to go up or for Skills to go down. But our max profit is unlimited as long as Skills moves decently up or decently down. So this depends on what you think Skills will do. If you think Skills will continue to drop like it was doing, then you might want to put this into place and then just hope it continues to drop. And then maybe some great news about Skills comes out while this option's already in place and it starts to go back up. And then you're doing great regardless. It can keep going down. You see right here, if you watch the expected profit and loss, if it keeps going down, you keep making more money. If you hear some great news about Skills and everybody invests in it, it starts going back up, you can see profit on this side as well. And your max profit is limited at $60, which is about the cost that it'll take to put this option into place. And so, like I said, all that you want to happen is for Skills to move one way or another. You don't want it to trade flat. Some examples of flat trading stocks are AT&T. AT&T moves, dimes and quarters over weeks and months. AT&T does not move very much at all. But like I said, Skills is a very volatile stock. You can try this on your own stocks. You don't have to use Skills. There's tons of volatile stocks out there, especially with the market right now. There's stocks moving everywhere. If you can afford it, you can try it on Tesla. Tesla moves insane amounts. I'll show you the example with a little bit of a wider spread. So we'll come over here, we'll go down 1. So we'll buy our put right there, and we'll buy our call above 1. So you can see we'll lose a lot less. We'll only lose $25 now, but it has to move much more for us to be in a profit zone. See, if you see right here, it's at 875 and 1175. I'll switch it back. 940 and 1160. So you can make profit quicker, like at a sooner price, the closer it is together. But if you're wrong, then your max loss is a lot more. So it depends on what chance you want to take there. Just remember, you buy a put, the put is on the bottom portion, and you buy a call, the call is on the top portion. So we'll come over here, I'll show you this a little bit better. Let's come over here to option strat, click build, click strangle. This is called a strangle. And then make sure you put in your correct stock right here. So we'll do SKLZ for Skills. Click on that. It'll update. And then we chose expiring August 27th. So we want to do that first. So click that right there. It's blue. And then which was the put that we bought? The red P. So we bought, oh yeah, let me reset this up the way I showed you the first time, like that. So then come over here and just copy everything you made right here. So the put we bought is at $10. So red for P, $10. And then the call we bought was at $11. So C for call, bought it at $11. So this is what it'll look like. Your max profit is infinite again, and your max loss is the $61 or $60 that you will pay to put this option into place. And as you can see, if Skills somehow gets great news, by the way, I'm recording this on August 22nd, so you might want to scoot this out maybe another week to give this time to move. But for the example I showed you that way, and I think it'll be more expensive the farther out you go because there's a bigger chance that it'll move within that time. But if you hear some great news about Skills, like I said, and you think it'll move very quickly, you want to click the soonest week close to you if you think it can move that much in that time difference. But this is only 5 days from now, so it's not a great chance that Skills will move over $2 in a couple days, but it is possible from the chart I showed you. It can happen. So we'll come over here. You can see your break evens. If Skills is sitting at these points, that's where you'll break even. But you can see day by day results. So if somehow Skills drops to or rises to 13.20 by Wednesday, we made $160, and I would definitely recommend just pull your profits then. Just take your profits then, because there might be risk of Skills dropping back down on Thursday or Friday, and then now you're back in the red or your profits lower. But you can see just day by day results as to how this will work. You can see what happens when implied volatility happens. But we'll reset it to what it's at currently. It's at 106%. So yeah, this is very easy options that you can set up for very volatile markets or simply just volatile stocks. If you'd like to look at some other options trading strategies, you can check out my channel. I have several other options trading strategies that you can check out there. As always, if you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll be sure to answer them all. This is options trading, so I would look into all of the risks behind this. We are not selling anything in this option, so that does limit some of the risks, but like I said, it is options trading, so do all your research. There's anything that can go wrong. But like I said, comment any questions down below that you have and I'll be sure to answer them all. And yeah, thank you for watching.